Can you lose weight with Pilates? So this is probably one of the more common questions I get asked, and I'll probably get some backlash for my answer. It's not going to be like the sexy answer that everyone wants to hear. And before I do answer, if the word diet or calories triggers you, I would say stop watching the video right now. Now, having said that, yes, you absolutely can lose weight with Pilates. I am living proof of that. If you've been following my journey, I've been tracking my weight as well as my body fat percentage, both of which have gone down. But, and it's a big but, okay? In order to do that, you do need to be in a calorie deficit. And, I just feel like so many people nowadays, they're looking for this magical exercise program where you can eat whatever you want and lose a ton of weight. And I see a lot of false promises on social media regarding this, but the human body just doesn't work that way. So really my answer is you can lose weight with Pilates or you can gain weight with Pilates. It's totally your choice, and it's the combination of Pilates with your diet that is really going to determine what happens, and it's going to be that same answer no matter what form of exercise you choose. Now, having said that, I do think Pilates shapes the body in a very different and very beautiful way than, say, bodybuilding or running or HIIT training or whatever form of activity you choose. But that's probably just another video in and of itself. So for now, I'll get off my soapbox and let's move on.